Good morning guys. Going on a ski trip is a huge deal. It takes a lot of planning and a lot of organisation, and often there are a lot of mistakes that are made, whether you're going for the first time or whether you're an experienced ski traveller. So today I'm going to talk about the biggest ski travel mistakes that you can avoid. And number 2 is booking your ski holiday for before Christmas. Now this is a huge risk. First of all, people individually have certain times that they can only go away on holiday, whether it's because of work or because of family. In the case of European skiing, 10 years ago it would have been far less risk to have gone on a ski trip before Christmas. However, 10 years gone by now, there is less and less guarantee of good snow conditions before Christmas. This is something which unfortunately the ski industry as a whole has had to adapt to due to it. But as I said, you run the risk if you go out before Christmas of not getting full value for the money that you're paying, because not all the runs will be ready. In some cases, not all of the resort will be open, whether that's bars, hotels, public facilities, whether that's ice rinks or swimming pools, spa facilities. It's far better to look after the Christmas period to have a good ski trip.